Hello everyone, A.M.R. Weather here, and today we'll be discussing everything about PTC 5, or soon to become Ernesto. And before we start this video, I just want to say, if you've been enjoying my content, please like and subscribe as I'm trying to grow this channel. Here's the current sea surface temperature, so you can see the average in the Gulf is now 31, some spots even up to 32, and that big pocket off there of Louisiana is 33. In the open Atlantic, the average temperature is about 29 degrees Celsius, some spots up to 30 or 31. And lastly, in the Caribbean Sea, the average temperature is 29, some spots peaking into 30 or even 31 degrees. Here are the models. You can see there is Ernesto, it's that big low pressure area, and you'll see the L pop up there. They have it making a close landfall as a strong tropical storm on Puerto Rico, and then making almost a hurricane landfall on the Dominican Republic, and becoming a Category 3 or maybe even a low-end Cat 4 past Bermuda, and then staying out to sea. Here's the European model. You can see that the European model kind of has the same idea, although keeps it more north, which would be a good thing, so that none of those islands have to experience any impacts, and makes it a strong hurricane around the Turks and Caicos. I would say Cat 2, maybe a high-end Cat 1. Lastly, here's the Canadian. The Canadian has it doing the same thing as a European and making a close pass by, if not a landfall in Bermuda, as a Category 3 or 2 hurricane and staying out to sea. Here's the wind shear. Well, you could see it will be around some wind shear, but not enough to completely topple those thunderstorms. That is why it's expected to strengthen, and there's also no dry air or Saharan dust, so that is another reason for its intensification. Here is the current vorticity. You could see that they have it becoming really tightly wrapped around just south of Bermuda, really, and it really gets itself together sometime around early Friday, so this will be quite a strong system, and I will definitely be putting more updates out. Well, here's what it looks like now. You can see as of those recent frames, it has been putting up some great convection and is starting to look a little bit less disorganized, although still is very disorganized. So this probably won't get a name until tomorrow, in my opinion. But just before making landfall around the Lesser Antilles. Well, here is the forecast cone. You see they have it becoming a tropical storm just after the Lesser Antilles. All those tropical storm warnings out for portions of the Lesser and Greater Antilles, and they're making a tropical storm landfall around the U.S. Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico, and then making a close pass by, if not a hurricane landfall, on Bermuda as a strong Category 2 hurricane. Lastly, here's the ocean heat content. You see where it is going, and it is currently. There's those orange, yellows, even green is great ocean heat content for this storm. So it could take advantage of this and really strengthen. And also around Bermuda, there's that little pocket. So who knows? Maybe Bermuda could be dealing with a strong system here. So I just wanted to say thank you all for enjoying. Please stay safe and be prepared. And please like and subscribe.